Hello, I'm Jasmin Zorlu, and this is my dear first son, Moja, who needs a grooming, but he has an appointment soon, so not to worry. Oh, he's my dream dog. I adopted him 4 years and 4 months ago or so. I make sculptural headwear for Earthlings. This is one of my upcycled sweater hats that I made from a cashmere sweater. Here's part of a sweater that I've been taking apart. This one is really high quality. It is made in Scotland, Clan Douglas for Nordstrom. It's so soft and thick and high quality. So you can wear this hat as a turban, as a cloche, or as a beanie. Oh, I need to get groomed too. I'm going to show you how I make these hats. So I usually take apart the piece of the sweater from a whole section. Like I'll make one hat from a sleeve, or one hat from a back, or one hat from a front. And I've been making these hats since 2008. So let me show you another one. I really love this one. Sometimes I make a hat and then I decide to keep it for myself. It's like a turban, kind of, and then teddy bear hair. Here's another one that I made and then I kept for myself because I liked it too much. That happens. That happened with this one. I love this black one. It's like a beret, but it has like, can you see it's twisted and folded and then stitched? Yeah, I love this one, even though some people might think I look like a peasant. Hey, who knows what I was in a past life? Maybe I was one. I don't know. I haven't done that past life regression thing yet. Have you? Okay, so here is the front of my beautiful men's made in Scotland sweater. And I'm going to show you how I work with these pieces. So instead of using patterns, like that have predefined shapes that you cut out and then lay on fabric or a sweater and then cut and sew on the machine, I don't do that. I tried it once, didn't like it. I actually take the whole piece, which is zero waste. I also saved the scraps. Let me show you. I saved the scraps for future use and stuffing in case I feel like making a stuffed animal or a pom-pom. And let me show you. So, you know that sweaters are knit so that it's more stretchy this way. So we can do things, right? Well, I take the sweater and I put it on the cross grain. So, you see? Wow, it's so much better to film in the daytime than at night. So I'm going to take the sweater and then start draping it. Oh my goodness, I forgot the pins. I have to go get the straight pins. Just hang on for a second. Okay, here's my pins. I like to use these quilting ones because you can easily see where they are. Make sure you don't leave any in the hat. I've done that before and tried to sell it and then it never sold. And then there's an old saying that if you leave a pin in a hat, it'll come back. I'm not sure exactly the right. Oh, look, I look like a nun. Like a dark nun. Okay, so now I'm gonna start pinning and you can see can you see I put the ribbing here? Yeah. So I'm gonna show off the ribbing so that people know it's a sweater hat. And then I'm gonna hand stitch it. I'm gonna use cotton embroidery thread because I want to keep it eco. Like this is a natural fiber. It's cashmere. I also use merino and boiled wool. So I am going to take the top and then just gently twist it. And look, I already have a turban. Isn't that magical? I've got a turban. And oops, I pinned to my hair. I got a beanie. And I got a cloche. Wow, how magical is that? And if I take that top part off, I can even twist it. Do you hear Mo just panting? He's hot because the sun is coming into the room. I'm so lucky I have a dog. All right, so I can even take it and then I can twist both sides and do that teddy bear thing. So all you do is you just pin that. You can also take the hat off your head and put it on a hat form. So, or you can even use one of those styrofoam heads. But they're always too small, I've noticed. They're like 21 inches. So there's another hat you can make. That's funny. Like big dog ears, right? Anyway, I have this great guide for you that if you sign up for my email list, you can receive it. How to shop for vintage wool sweaters. And it has, oh, hey, no moths allowed, okay? And I tell you the best brands, I'm editing it a little at the time, the ones to avoid, they're mostly fast fashion brands, you know, like Zara, Topshop. They don't use good quality materials, you know that. And then I give all these other tips. And if you receive it by email, you can even watch this fun video. And then I even have here other things you can buy in thrift stores, and that's Moja and I shopping at Savers, which is my favorite store in Santa Fe to buy sweaters.